Hi friends, we will try to find out what is the value of 15 power 50 divided by 3 power 25. At first, we can try to work it out like 15 power 50 I can write down as 25 plus 25 over 3 power 25. Now I can use my index law and I can write down that as 15 power 25 multiply by 15 power 25. In the denominator, I have got 3 power 25, which I can try to write down underneath of this 3 power 25. Now, my this power 25 and this power 25 is the same. So I can write down that as everything power 25. And in the bracket, I can try to write down 15 over 3, which will give me 15 power 25. And now 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 5 power 25. Now, I do have power 25 here. I do have power 25 here as well. So I do have the same power. So because I have the same power, what I can do is I can put down 15 times 5 together and everything power 25, I can write it down. And now 15 times 5 is 75. So that is 75 power 25. And this is my final answer of the question. Thank you, guys.